Cuidado con ese bulto, está pesado. Trae el siguiente por aquí.
Check the length on this one. Looks good, no discoloration. Send it through.
The pressure on nozzle 3 is low.
I'm adjusting it now.
The decorticator machines use blunt blades to rapidly separate the long, pale fibers from the green pulp.
The flow rate looks good on tank 4.
Agreed. Ensure the paddles maintain that gentle churn for the next batch.
The viscosity is holding steady at the application head.
Good. Let's maintain the current flow rate and monitor the drying temperature.
Check the temperature on zone 3. Holding steady at 180. The resin looks good here.
Check the alignment on the toe cap pattern here.
Looks slightly off. I'll adjust the parameters now.
Scan. Next one.
This goes to batch 3.
Check the dimensions on this one quickly.
Here in the finishing station, automated rollers guide the pineapple leather beneath fine applicator brushes for a smooth, protective coating.
Manifest confirms pallet 35B. Clearance on the left. Okay, that's the last one.